What's up, everyone? This is Fast Break PYT number 14. I don't know. The Kings, they're just. I don't. This. I'm not gonna be able to fall. All I know is I'm not gonna be able to fall asleep tomorrow night, knowing I have to wake up at 10 a.m. for Knicks Heat game 1, and then we have game 7 of that. That's like the dream of all dreams. I'm not gonna be able to sleep. Well, that's Moosin. You're acting like the Kings are this veteran playoff team. They're not gonna let Golden State come in and beat them. What are you talking about? I hope you're right, Asmussen. Yeah, Slovovich, I don't think people understand how good the Knicks are. How many they don't have like a superstar, but they have so many starting players on their team. Their bench our bench are starters. They'll start on other teams. Our depth is like the best in the NBA right now. Quickly's a starter somewhere else. Toppin's a starter. We have like 9 starters. The Knicks are incredible. I don't think Barrett's a star quality player. Brunson's a star quality player. Quickly is insane. We're not even talking about Randall. Mitch Robinson is obviously the best rebounder in the NBA. We were missing Grimes. Grimes is going to come off the bench. Now we have another elite guy off the bench. I love Quickly. I think Quickly is just so good. He's incredible. The Knicks are just so deep. They're just so deep. We'll see. If the Knicks trade if they trade anything that's like, I saw a rumor where we might be thinking about trading Quickly and Toppin for Towns. They better not do that. If we get Towns and not have to like if you told me Towns for Randall straight up, I'm doing it. But if you're telling me I'd rather, I would do Towns for Randall straight up. I'd do that. Because he's a better shooter than Randall. I would not give I'd rather have Quickly over Towns. Well, a lot's going to depend on how the Knicks do this year in the playoffs. If they make it... The problem is they keep rumoring Towns to freaking New York because our whole front office is associated with Towns. You can't say the Cavs are trash. What does that even mean? They have so much talent to be trash. Wesley Disco. Nice. There's the Ivy variation. Nice piece. Agbaji. Red. Freddie Van Fleet. The Raptors. Gold auto. Good luck. Gold auto. Blue of Lonzo. That's actually kind of cool. It's for the Clippers. Limitless. This is going to go to Limitless's eBay store probably. Jamal Crawford gold auto for the Clippers. Limitless, you out there? Nice piece. That's sick. Crawford, 7 of 10. Limitless, proud of you. Chet. Lottery of Niang. That would be the craziest thing ever. They would never do that. Maybe Randall will shock us. Maybe Randall will just help and lead us to the the finals. Maybe he'll just shock us all. Bridges. He had a terrible series. He was an unbelievably terrible series, and they still won. So maybe let's see what happens if he has a good series. Trae Young. Trae Young blue. Nice piece. Well, it's funny. Here's a base card. It's because we hate Randall because look at his numbers in the playoffs. Look at his playoff numbers. That's why we all know he's a regular season player. He doesn't pass the ball that much, even though he had a 1 or 2 good assist game. But look at his numbers in the playoff series. That's why because we know what Randall is. Drew Holiday. He did exactly what we thought he would do in the playoffs. Just get shut down in the playoffs. Shot 32%. He's just annoying. He's just he doesn't come off as a good team player. That's his thing. Who are the veterans on the Heat that won a championship that are in that rotation? What are you talking about? Keldon. He's a worse version of Melo. I wish it was Melo I wish it was Melo. Oh, Melo was at least wow. Jalen Green fast break auto for the Rockets. All right, Lowry. Those aren't meaningful pieces on a rotation. What do you mean? Do I watch basketball? That doesn't mean anything if Kevin Love and Kyle Lowry. That's not like championship pedigree. Tim Duncan purple. Their championship experience means absolutely nothing. Rookie silver of Coloco. Not because I'm a Knick fan. Kyle Lowry. There's the Poku blue. Nice. Benedict for the Pacers. Variation. Who said that Hawks are winning the Boston series. People had the Hawks against Boston. Love. Sohan. Jovic. Disco for the Heat. Pink. Herter. Reeves. Second year silver. That's a beat the sword according to the book, man. The halfway point. Solid break so far. A couple good autos. Gold, Jamal, and the second year autos have been insane in fast break. Blue of Porzingis. And then we have Grant Hill. Fast break for the Pistons. Someone kill contenders. Some of it's just funny. What do you despise this product? What are you talking about, Harvey? What are you even saying? Red. Garrison Matthews, Rockets. Lottery of Dyson Daniels. Dyson Daniels base. Grant Silver. Is that bronze? Bronze. Good luck, bronze. Nice. Very nice, Mango. Josh Giddey, bronze for JP. Mango. Nice piece. 11 of 20. You really don't like. I don't even know what you're talking about, Harvey. How can you not like this? It's like nothing not to like. What are you saying? There's the Dyson Daniels. The Pelicans. Variation. Blue. Pippen Jr. Does anyone know what Harvey's saying? Because I have no idea what he's saying. Absolutely no idea. Paolo. Take your 15s. Kessler. Pink of Kevin Garnett. There's a John Garnett and a Kevin. McGowan's disco. Last box. Contenders. Contenders is next. Contenders is next. Full case 101. Take it. Full case 101. Everyone attack it. Nice. Another Ivy variation. Jalen with an E. There's a red. Jimmy Butler for the Heat. The last auto of the break is Wally Zerbiak. Nelson's on the board. We have Keegan. Nice blue. It's Tim Duncan for the Spurs. Nice. Couple nice Duncan colors. Interesting. Dirk. Nice. Red of Vince Carter. His piece. Ooh. Chet purple for Mango. JP Mango. 42.75. Nice piece. Finally a base moose of the Sharps are saying. Blue. Gary Payton. Blaze Kids. Reese Martin. Steph. Soha. It's a break. All right, for our inexpensive break, do we want to put number 15 or do we want to go to Donruss Choice? For our inexpensive, what do we want? 15 or Russ Choice? For our inexpensive. Choice. Choice. All right, we'll put Choice on the screen for the Choice collectors. All right, take your choice for the Choice. Yeah, for the inexpensive collectors. The Nelson Lins of the world. What do you mean? Like Grant Hill auto, Jalen Green, Gold, and Jamal. Just because I like Mango, I'll beat the Swords and see it this and this. All right, Choice is hitting.